How to log into Shein account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on login into your Shein account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in shein.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website of Shein. Click on the Me icon in the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop down menu you will see the sign in or the register option. Click on it. Now this will take you to the login portal, from where you need to first enter the correct one with your email address or the phone number in the first field. And once you do that, click on the continue button. Alternatively, you can directly sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account as well. Now for the next step, you have to enter the correct one with your password in the second field. And check this box if you'd like to receive exclusive offers and the latest news by email. And in the case if you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link in order to successfully reset your password. Now after entering the correct one with your email address in the first and the second field, click on the sign in button highlighted in black color in order to successfully log in or sign into your Shein account. And congratulations, you have now successfully logged into your Shein account. Now you can simply explore their website, add things to your cart you want to buy, and shop anytime you want. So this was all about it. This is how you can log into your Shein account. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. Happy shopping!